It's me, Gravy, here with another poem. Things are still pretty scary right now, so I have another fun, silly poem to read to you today. Today's poem is called Bubble by Deborah Chandra. Bubble. I made my lips grow close and round and blew into a plastic wand. Then I saw it clear and thin, my breath wrapped in a quivering skin of soap that held the blue of sky, the sudden flash of fireflies. It made a trembling shadow there, slid whispering through empty air, to dip and soar while full of glow. I was surprised, I didn't know my own breath could be a thing so marble round and glistening. That poem brings a fun perspective on bubbles, because bubbles can be round, but when it is bright outside, you can see colors in the bubble. And I never thought of the colors coming from your breath going into the bubble before. That's a cool thought, to have colors in your breath and then the bubble shows the colors of your breath. I thought that was cool. Or, you know, maybe it can be kind of gross. That is all for this week's poem. Stay tuned for another poem. Stay safe. Enjoy whatever it is you are doing. If you're like me, then you are sitting and enjoying some nice poems with your plants. This one here, his name is Shammy. And this one here, his name is Pokey, because he poked me once. Was that your way of ending the video? Oh, yes, sorry. I'm going to talk to Shammy now. Hello, Shammy. How are you doing today? You look thirsty. I shall get